The present perfect is built this way. You have has or have and the participle. Now it must be has or have, because when you say he, you would use has, and if you say I, you would say have. So you must look at the person. So has, have plus participle. If you don't know what the participle is, let me help you. So the first form, the infinitive to take, second form past simple took, and third form is the participle. That's the one we need. So an example here is he has taken a shower. We have has, in this case it's has because it's he, and then taken, the participle. There are four basic use, or rather two basic uses, and they are combined with signal words that I will talk about later. So he has already taken a shower. I have not done my homework yet. She has played football for 5 years, and she has played football since she was 10. Each time you see that the formation is the same, and that's the beauty of it. It works 100%. Has, have plus participle. So we can group these uses, and there you'll nicely see two groups. The first group, there is a strong effect on the present. You see that the present perfect is a tense of the present. That's why present is in the name. So there is a strong effect on the present. He has already taken a shower. And the second part of the tense's name is perfect. That means it's completed. So he has taken a shower. So he does not have to take a shower again. And the opposite, I have not done my homework yet. So there is this strong effect on the present. So you could say, oh, so no homework yet, so I have to do it now. That's when you use the present perfect instead of, for example, the past simple. The second group would be this. Something has started in the past and continues up to the present. So she has played football for 5 years. She started 5 years ago and she still plays. And she has played football since she was 10. She started when she was 10 and now she still plays. Obviously, you know, she slept. She went to the toilet and everything, but it's a general idea that is transported. So, and now we're going to look at those signal words in those two groups. For the strong effect on the present, one signal word is already, logically speaking, and the other one is the opposite, that's not yet. And if something has started in the past and continues up to the present, you have for, that talks about a period of time, and since, that talks about a point in time in the past. And that's the present perfect.